Welcome.
Okay.
Yes.
Again. Yes, so my people, now that my hotel again, now I carry my back home, make the back home any beg people, make they come the lodge for this hotel because the hotel good. I know if you see what's good, make I go hide now for now. Our reception, everything our Ghana, Ubunge, Babat, everywhere.
Tell them the name, Bayview Mansion, Bayview Hotel, where you fit come chop, where you fit come do, where you fit come where you fit come and everything go as I test the bed, tested and trusted. But I know they flex around my wife. But anytime when I want to do rehearsal, Bayview Mansion, boys.
Yeah. So this hotel so there number 2 area road, opposite SCD Motors for Saple Road, and we get better swimming pool. Not any period there, anywhere they hot.
Go there, come back.
Yeah, now, not be every time they stay the sleepers. Not be every time they take the bath for us. Just come the bath for every afternoon. I will still do party for the pool side.
Not
yes.
that one, mechanic don't come back for you. Engineer, you feel everywhere. Now everybody in the bath for sleep. See this one. Okay, when my wife come back for you. Why they talk everywhere they hot? They don't know who they bath. Now everybody in the bath. Swimming pool day. Not be everybody in the bath. If you want bath, come bath. But if you don't say the other side, they show that no bath. The only place where I test their food, their drink, and
24 hours flights.
Like no concern me. The bed, they okay. Like but when ma wey stroke, sweat will come out. Or is there way? Take this one. Take. You don't tell that. With who? If we were some with who?
By myself.
Now the food you talk to, they'll be too for you.
So my people, that your girlfriend we want to party for, just come on my side come do one. You know, that your wife, your brother, your sister we want to surprise party for. Carry a
mother we want to do party for come here.
Mona come here, everything they happen.
If you carry under my wife, not come. My mom
everything when they look for hotel, then is baby, everything. No worry, just come. Just try come. As you come, leave everything for us. Abio.
Tested and trusted.
Alright, we love you guys, Number 2 area road, opposite SCD Motors, Saple Road.
Love you guys, now love you guys. Tell them, they love you now. You say now, now you try to talk and I say we love you. Now you know, not me talking.
Even here they never go
Your mama, you say this one, you say this one. Follow, say suffer, follow your mama, suffer. You suffer, follow your mama. You not chop egg, you not drink much.
We day your mama go ubo
forget it.
We day they need to go ubo.
Mama dey alive go asan.
Who give you whiskey? You say you suffer, then they don't
people will go school in my village.
Why
don't mind Sabota. Come to this hotel and enjoy yourself. Come for here. Okay, now you the practice a mosquito. Come to this hotel and
enjoy mosquito.
No, no mistake. Don't make mistake. Somebody of that way go war for Igbo side. Of that way go war. His wife slap another former governor. They say everywhere anything can change. I will slap you now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Sandra Akube. I see say our great musician Akube, they do advert for am. Say make una come support Sandra for hotel. I beg make una go support our sister. E no easy for to build hotel. So if una see who build hotel, make una see support am. I beg my people. Congratulations once again for this your hotel. So because when I do the video that time, people they say, hey, so they say not be your own, no this that. Oh, I happy for this video when I see just now. You know, so more than support our sister Sandra Akube for hotel. More than support her. More than support her because it's not easy to build hotel. Eh? You understand the hair. And to see build hotel now another thing. To see people where go they come there too now another thing. So make una come support our sister. She need una support. She need una support for this hotel. Without una, she not go free do am. Una understand. So make everybody, make anybody wey go Nigeria, make una go lodge for there. The way I say here, they say the hotel good well. E good well if you want sleep, if you want enjoy yourself, anything wey you want do, you want go jogodo for there too. The hotel is available. Make una go support am. Make una go support our sister. E no easy to build hotel. You understand? So make una go support Sandra. Small but mighty. The godmother. E no easy, my people. So make una go support her for this beautiful hotel. Make una go support her, my people. Make we dey support our own. Make we not dey pass our own, go dey support another people. Make we dey support our own. I beg my people. So I'll put the video now where Akube do the advert for her. Make una go support her. Make me share the video too. So that whenever I see the hotel, make it see am. Thank you, my darling people. Please let me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Welcome.
Okay.
Yes.
Again. Yes, so my people, now that my hotel again, now I carry my back home, make the back home any beg people, make they come the lodge for this hotel because the hotel good. I know if you see what's good, make I go hide now for now. Our reception, everything our Ghana, Ubunge, Babad, everywhere.
That's the name, Bayview Mansion, Bayview Hotel, where you feel come chop, where you feel come do, where you feel come, where you feel come and everything go as I test the bed, tested and trusted. But I know the flex around my wife. But anytime when I want to do rehearsal. Bayview Mansion.
Yeah. So this hotel so there number 2 area road opposite SCD Motors for Saple Road. And we get better swimming pool. Not say this period there, anywhere they hot.
Go there, come back.
Yeah, now not be every time they stay the sleepers. Not be every time they take the bath for us. Just come the bath for every afternoon. I will still do party for the poolside.
Not
yes.
that I'm the mechanic don't come back for me. Night boy the bath for sleep. See this one. Okay, when my wife come back for here. Why they talk everywhere they hot? They don't know who they bath. Night boy the bath. Swimming pool day. Not be everybody the bath. If you want bath, come bath. But if you don't say the other side, they show that no bath. The only place where I test their food, their drink, and
24 hours flights.
Like no concern me. The bed, they okay. Like when my way is strong, sweat will come out. Or is there way? Take this one. Take. You don't tell that way. With who? If we were some with who? Now the food you talk to, there will be two for you.
So my people, that your girlfriend we want to party for, just come on my poolside condom, you know, that your wife, your brother, your sister we want to surprise party for. Carry a
mother we want to party for, come here.
Mona come here, everything they happen.
But if you carry under my wife, not come. My mother.
Everything when they look for hotel, Davis baby, everything. No worry, just come. Just try come. As you come, leave everything for us. Abio.
Tested and trusted.
Alright, we love you guys. Number 2 area road opposite SCD Motors, Saple Road.
Love you guys. Tell them say they love you now. You say now you try to talk and I say we love you. Now you not me talking.
Even he they never for nowhere.
Your mama say this one, you say this one. Follow, say suffer, follow your mama, suffer. You suffer, follow your mama. You not chop egg, you not drink much.
Which day your mama go ubo
forget it.
Which day they need to go ubo
mama dey alive go ask am.
Who give you whiskey? You say you suffer, then they don't call you whiskey.
People will go school in my village.
Why don't you bless you?
Don't mind Sabota. Come to this hotel and enjoy yourself. Come for here. Okay, now you need to assist a mosquito. Come to this hotel and
enjoy mosquito.
No mistake. Don't make mistake. Somebody of that way go war for Igbo side. Of that way go war. The wife slap another former governor. Wife. She say everywhere anything can change. I will slap you now. The way Bianca tear that woman.
If you slap Igbo, don't give me dirty slap.
When Bianca tear that woman, you can't look back. No, it is. Now you tell me your husband there for position. I'm a pinner. Nika.
Every Near.